Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your avatar in VRChat. So step 1, where to change your avatar. On PC, hit the avatar menu, look for the person icon in the side menu. On Quest or mobile, navigate to the avatar tab. In the in-game menu, it's the head silhouette icon. You will see avatars you favorited, downloaded, or created. Select one to equip it instantly. Step 2, uploading a custom avatar. If you want your own custom avatar, you must use the Creator Companion, VRChat's official tool. Import your model, for example, from Vroid Studio or FBX GLB file into Unity. Use the VRChat SDK to build and upload your avatar. It appears in your avatar menu under Uploaded. Step 3, switching avatars live. Simply select the avatar from your menu to equip it instantly. On Quest devices, make sure your avatar is Quest compatible. Look for the PC or Quest icon. If a PC-only avatar appears, you will see a floating robot instead of your avatar. Step 4, editing or removing an avatar. To rename or change the preview image of an avatar you upload, you can use the community tool VRCX. Open VRCX, click your name, go to Avatars tab, select the avatar, choose change name or image from the menu, and that's it. Whether you want to switch avatars or upload your perfect custom model, this guide has you covered. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.